Huzur's question is related to MTA. He says MTA is the most important institutions in our Jamaat, of course, at present, after Khilafat. He says, but in some places...
Khilafat Shura, not MTA.
Shura, of course. That is my own interpretation of the question, in fact. So, he says, though it's a great blessing of Allah for Jamaat, but in some places, because of some of our limitations, we cannot properly utilize it. In some countries, the number of dishes can be counted on fingertips, and in some places, in compared to the number of the Ahmadis, those who are properly utilizing it, their number is not very satisfactory. So if Huzur, on this subject, if Huzur kindly speaks a little bit on it, then we might improve in all of this respect.
I can't understand this question at all. In what way can I suggest from here? Those people who are directly involved with the problem, they should consider all the possible avenues which should be explored to improve the quality of the listeners, of the MTA and antennas, etc. So I can't give any advice sitting here not knowing the real facts of life there.